This is the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 Bluetooth speaker. With its signature round silhouette, premium cover aluminum handle for easy portability, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 combines style and convenience in a sophisticated and Bluetooth speaker. It features IPX7 waterproof design, offering up to 8 hours of playtime on a single and wireless dual sound.
I'll show you how to disassemble this Onyx Studio 6 step by step. Pry off and remove this anti-slip rubber band or cover. Loosen and remove these bottom screws and also the cover. Now pry off the front speaker grille cover. You need to apply force on it. This is a bit hard, especially if it's the first time. This tutorial is brought to you by Repairs to Go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. From a purely sonic standpoint, the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 delivers the kind of thump bass lovers are looking for. Almost hidden against the backdrop of the cloth grille is an array of rubberized black buttons, including Bluetooth, power, volume plus and minus, and a playback control that skips a track when pressed twice, but oddly doesn't navigate backward when pressed 3 times. Remove the rubber shields and loosen another set of screws. Gently open the rear cover, be careful any flex cable or wires, and unplug the speaker cord. Unplug and remove the battery, just in case if you need to replace it. Now, you can troubleshoot the motherboard by removing the 2 screws left and carefully remove all the cables attached to it. Now, to reassemble this Bluetooth speaker, follow the instructions in reverse order. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 tracks with intense sub-bass content, like the knife's silent shout. The Onyx Studio 6 delivers palpable deep bass that will vibrate most of the surfaces you place it on. At top volumes, the bass doesn't distort, though it does thin out a but. The DSP, digital signal processing, kicks in to prevent distortion. Below these controls, there's a tiny status LED that shines through the grille, and an array of powerful drivers, including a single 4.7-inch woofer and a single 1-inch tweeter that combine for 50 watts and a frequency range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz. The speaker is compatible with Bluetooth 4.2 and supports the SBC codec only. 2 Onyx Studio 6 speakers can be wirelessly connected to form a stereo pair. A covered port on the back protects the connections for the included power supply, as well as a 3.5mm auxiliary input. No cable is included for that input. There's also a micro USB service port. Harman Kardon, a luxury fashion speaker brand under the Harman Group, has launched a new generation of Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 portable Bluetooth speaker and new generation of desktop stereo portable speakers. Its chic appearance combined with high-quality music performance will add elegance to our life. Harman Kardon has always been committed to creating an extraordinary sound quality experience for music lovers and audiophiles. Continuous improvement of audio quality, exceptional artistic taste, and innovative design concepts create a speaker product that combines innovative technology and elegant design. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 Bluetooth speaker has a unique appearance and good sound quality. In terms of audio, Harman Kardon is one of the most popular brands with a wide range of speakers and headphones which can meet the needs of different types of listeners, whether it is used indoors or outdoors. Their claims involve design and manufacturing quality and good audio power, excellent connectivity, and durability. The Onyx Studio 6 is an upright, circular speaker with a cutout, rubberized handle, making it look like a designer handbag from some angles. Available in black, blue, or grey, the 11.2 by 11.5 by 5.0 inch HWD 6.5 pound speaker has considerable heft, so the handle is pretty much a necessity.